Maria, after my review, I feel that the load-bearing design of this bridge is too conservative. We can reduce the number of support pillars and save on material costs.
Okay, Salma, I understand your concern about the cost, but I disagree with reducing the support pillars. The soil data analysis showed that we need a higher safety margin at this location. We cannot take the risk.
But Maria, based on my calculation, we still have no safety factor even if we reduce the number of pillars. I believe we can save about 15% of the budget.
I agree that cost savings are important, but safety is the top priority. We have to consider the potential earthquake and flood risks in this area. I prefer to stick with the existing design.
I understand your point, but I still think we are over-engineering this. The current design extends the required safety standard by a significant margin. We could optimize it without compromising safety.
Yes, Salma, I respect your expertise, but I cannot approve a design that reduces that safety margin, especially in this high risk area. The consequences of failure are too severe.
What if we compromise? Instead of reducing the number of pillars, we could adjust their spacing slightly. This way, we maintain the safety margin but still save some cost.
That's an interesting idea. But wouldn't adjusting the spacing affect the overall structural integrity?
Not necessarily. If we recalculate the load distribution and reinforce the beams accordingly, the bridge will still meet all safety requirements. I can run the number again to confirm.
Alright, if you can prove that the adjusted design meets all safety standards, I'm willing to consider it. But if there's any doubt, we stick to the original plan.
Fair enough, Maria. I reward the calculation and reason the upload design by the end of the week. If it doesn't meet the standards, I'll drop the ID.
Sounds good. Let's make sure we don't cut corners where safety is concerned. But I appreciate your effort to find a balance between cost and safety.
Agreed. Safety first, but we also have a responsibility to be efficient with the budget. I'll keep your update.
Oh, perfect. Let's reconvene once you have the updated design.